Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood John The Plumber. Today we're going to be talking about sewer laterals and backwater valves, so come along with us and we'll show you what to expect in the process. We arrived at this call when a customer was experiencing major drain backup on Christmas Eve. Our plumber used a drain camera to inspect and found the sewer pipe had collapsed. Our team member took the extra time to explain the issue to the customer and show them the drain footage. We are always transparent and informative with our customers. After diagnosing the problem, we provided the customer with a detailed quote for the replacement. Check with your insurance provider to find out if sewer repairs are covered. Many policies cover exterior sewer replacements, significantly reducing out-of-pocket costs. In this case, the outdoor portion of this replacement was covered by the homeowner's insurance. We also offer financing options to make repairs affordable. What is a sewer lateral? A sewer lateral is the underground pipe that connects your home's plumbing system to the municipal sewer system. It safely removes wastewater from your home. A backwater valve is a smart addition to protect your home from sewer backups caused by failure. It acts as a one-way gate, allowing wastewater to flow out while preventing it from flowing back in. Once the customer approved the quote, we got to work. We set up dust barriers and floor coverings to keep the work area and your home clean during the process. Inside, we removed a portion of the floor to access the sewer pipe. Meanwhile, outside, we use an excavator to expose the external portion of the sewer lateral. Each process is done with precision and care to minimize disruption and protect the property. After exposing the sewer pipe, we removed the damaged section and prepare to install new pipes that will last for decades. These new pipes are designed to withstand tree roots, ground shifts, and any other tests of time. Our team installed the new sewer pipes and carefully connected them to both your home plumbing system and the municipal sewer system, ensuring a perfect fit and proper function. Meanwhile, inside, the team's installing the new backwater valve for the customer. This will connect to the external sewer lateral system being installed outside. Once the new sewer lateral is in place and the backwater valve is installed, we begin to restore the property. Inside, we re-cemented the floor and removed all excess debris. Outside, we backfilled the excavation to leave the yard as close to its original state as possible. Our team will take the extra time to follow up after the job is done, walking you through what we've done and answer any questions or concerns you may have to leave you with peace of mind. This transparency and extra care we take is a part of how we operate. Don't hesitate to ask our team any questions regarding the job. We understand that sewer replacements can feel overwhelming. At John the Plumber, we're committed to making the process as smooth and as stress-free as possible. If you're experiencing sewer issues, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll assess the problem, explain your options, and work with you every step of the way. Call or visit us online to learn more about how we can help you with your plumbing needs.